My job is to keep things moving. You take calls anytime there's something broken, they'll call us. It's our job to make sure that we keep the plant going. So our maintenance team, we go help each other. Before I ask someone else to do it, I make sure that I'm willing to do it myself. I think it helps gain respect from peers. They see that I'm willing to get dirty too. A lot of times I don't even have to ask. They'll just jump in and start helping. Everyone working together, it makes everything so much easier. I like the sense of pride I get, like being able to do things that not everyone can. Knowing that I make a difference, I value that. When I walk in this place, and it's like a brotherhood. Everyone knows everyone. Everyone's looking out for everyone. You know, not only is it competitive pay, but the superiors, they actually care. The chain of command here actually looks out for everyone below them. It doesn't exist everywhere. I had a seasonal job, so I was getting a different job every winter, and you know, that hopping around, that always worrying, not knowing whether or not I'll have a job lined up. I like to put that in my past. I like knowing that I've got job security. Waupaca Foundry is here to stay. So am I. I don't want to leave until I'm old and gray.